You've invested time, care, and money into your home. Now it's time to cash out. Buyers wander your property armed with comps, drawing their own conclusions about its value. By putting the spotlight on all of your efforts, a Realty QR interactive showing makes sure buyers see everything that sets your home apart. As buyers explore your property, they will encounter QR code stations, each one sharing the story behind an improvement or unique feature. It's like a pop-up museum for your home. Realty QR interactive showings let buyers see your home at its best. Share your service records, show off your garden in full bloom, and display the striking before and after photos of your kitchen renovation. Anything that demonstrates how you've cared for your property and added to its value. This experience shows buyers the full value of your home and motivates more and higher bids. Trust a realtor who shows off all of your hard work. Walls can talk with Realty QR.